So the OnePlus 13R is receiving a major upgrade that even the OnePlus 13 won't have. The OnePlus 13R will have a large battery capacity compared to the OnePlus 13. According to report, the OnePlus 13R is expected to come with a whopping 6100 mAh battery, while the OnePlus 13 will have a 6000 mAh battery. You may be thinking it's just a small 100 mAh upgrade from 13, but let me give you the inside scoop. OnePlus has officially introduced their new Glacier Battery technology, which is designed to help the battery last longer. The battery solution will be more efficient, durable, and extremely energy dense compared to the other existing solutions. The new cell will be able to provide at least 80% of its original capacity after 4 years of regular use, way above the industry average 800 charging cycles. In a simple words, OnePlus promises 4 years battery health of its all future smartphones, which I assume includes the upcoming OnePlus 13 series. In the OnePlus 12 series, the 12R gets a 5500 mAh battery, while the OnePlus 12 gets a 5400 mAh battery. This is because the 12R comes with the 8 Gen 2 and the OnePlus 12 comes with the 8 Gen 3. The new CPU is more battery efficient, so OnePlus decided to increase the R series battery slightly more than the number series. Regarding this, one more piece of news has emerged suggesting that the OnePlus 13R may feature the Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 instead of the 8 Gen 3. In the OnePlus 12R, OnePlus used the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, which was a year-old CPU. However, this year it appears that OnePlus will be taking a different approach. Qualcomm has introduced the 8S Gen 3 for affordable flagship devices, and the OnePlus 12R series falls into this category. Therefore, there is a high likelihood that OnePlus 13R may come with the 8S Gen 3 CPU. Moving on, a reliable source shared a render photo of the what could be the design of the OnePlus 13 and 13R. The OnePlus 13 appears similar to the OnePlus 12, while the OnePlus 13R has a square design similar to the OnePlus 10. It appears that OnePlus is differentiating between the 13 and 13R by giving them different design, unlike the similar designs of the OnePlus 12 and 12R. As for what to expect from the phone, we don't have specific leaks for the OnePlus 13R yet, but we can anticipate a high-res display with a higher refresh rate and hopefully a better camera setup. So, what do you think of this OnePlus 13R? Let me know in the comments below. With that being said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.